Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you about making money from crypto arbitrage. Crypto arbitrage is when we buy cryptocurrency on one exchange cheap and sell it on another exchange more expensive. This is a very easy earning strategy, and any beginner can earn their first money today. I'm sure each of you can do it. I will show you step by step how to do it. First, we need to see the price of Bitcoin on Binance. At the moment, the Bitcoin price on Binance is $71,800. Now we need to go to another exchange and see the price there. This exchange is called Mebitex. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin on this exchange is $77,900. This is about 10% more expensive than on Binance. We can make a very good profit on this price difference. To do this, we have to transfer our Bitcoins from Binance or any other exchange or wallet to this exchange and then sell our Bitcoins here and make good money on the price difference. I have successfully made a deposit of $10,000. I sent 0.142 Bitcoins, and as you can see, I also received a deposit bonus of 30 USDT. Now we need to transfer our Bitcoins from Funding Wallet to Spot Wallet, and after that, we can sell our Bitcoins. After a successful transfer, we need to go to the Exchange tab and then select Market here and enter the amount of Bitcoins we want to sell, and then click on the Sell BTC button. Congratulations, we have successfully sold Bitcoins and received USDT. Now we need to go to the Wallets tab and check the balance of our Spot wallet and make sure that USDT is credited to our balance. After that, we need to transfer the USDT from the Spot wallet back to the Funding wallet and then withdraw our money. After a successful transfer, we need to go to the Withdraw tab and select USDT here, and then enter our wallet address and the amount we want to withdraw. Great! I have successfully withdrawn USDT to my wallet. Usually the money comes in 10 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked my strategy and you were able to make good money too. Please like this video and write a comment. On my channel will soon be new videos about making money on cryptocurrency. Good luck to everyone and see you soon.